Hi, good morning, children. Today we are discussing about changing the cultural and traditions in Europe. Okay, 12th chapter in 9th standard, explorations of the sea routes topic. First of all, the Europeans maintain the trade and marketing with the Asian people. But the Europeans traveled through the Mediterranean Sea, reached the Asian countries. It is a very short route, reached Asian countries. European countries like that, Germany, Poland, Portugal, Spain, and England, and so many European countries maintain the trade and marketing with Asian countries. There are travel through the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea in between Europe and African continent. Very very important. Identification very easy. Mediterranean Sea in world map. The Mediterranean Sea in between Europe and African continent in between. Okay, the Europeans traveled through the Mediterranean Sea, very easy way to reach the Asian countries. But the Turkish empires occupied the Constantinople in 1453 year. Very very important. Okay, the Turkish emperors occupied the Constantinople in 1453 year. Okay, there are blocking or closed the west and west to east traveling. So it is necessary for identification of the new sea routes of Europeans. So Portugal Queen and Spain King also encouraging the sailors for invention of the new sea routes. First of all, the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama, okay, started the traveling. He reached first Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope is the southernmost tip point of African continent. Very very important. Southernmost tip point of African continent, Cape of Good Hope. So the Europeans traveling through the Atlantic Ocean and reached Cape of Good Hope. There are stayed some days. Later there was started the traveling and entered the Indian Ocean, reached the Asian countries. So Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in 1498 year. Very very important. Okay, Indian sea route identified by Vasco da Gama in 1498 year. He reached in which place? Calicut. On that time, the Calicut was ruled by Jamari. He is also encouraging the trade and marketing with the European countries. Next one, Columbus. Columbus discovered USA. Okay, Columbus started traveling. The main he think reached the Asian countries, especially India. But he traveled west side. He reached one place. Okay, that located people called Indoins. So the west side, the Columbus called Indoins. So west side Indoins, West Indies. later it called West Indies. Okay, next Amerigo Vespucci is the Italian sailor. Okay, Columbus traveled with Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. So the USA was discovered by Columbus in 1492 year. 92 year. Very, very important. Next one, Magellan. Magellan is a great sailor. Okay, he traveled throughout the world. Throughout the world. So he traveled line it is called Magellan line. We can identify it in atlas. Okay. First, who was first traveled throughout the world? Magellan. Magellan. Very, very important. First one, Indian Sea route identified Vasco da Gama. He reached in Calicut 1498 year. Very, very important. Next one, USA was discovered by Columbus. Columbus in which year? 1492 year. Okay. Next one, who was traveled with Columbus? Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci is the Italian sailor. He was the Italian sailor. So Amerigo Vespucci name, okay, Amerigo. Amerigo name it later it changed as a America. So USA was discovered by Columbus in which year? 1492 year. Okay, Indian Sea route identified Vasco da Gama. He reached in Calicut in 1498 year. Okay, next one, all Europeans traveled through the Mediterranean Sea before the Turkish empires occupied the Constantinople. After 1453 year, the Turkish emperors occupied the Constantinople, closed the west to east sea route through the Mediterranean Sea. That is the main cause, the Europeans searching for new sea routes. Okay, that is the historical incident. After there were all Europeans were identify the new sea routes, identification of the Indian Sea route through the Atlantic and enter the Indian Ocean, reached the India. Next one, Indonesia. Next one, Amerigo Vespucci and Columbus traveled west side. There were identify the USA sea route. Okay, so the sea routes identification is helpful for trade and marketing developed entire the world. Okay, thank you.